Hi,
Hi.
welcome to Catrix. Today we will make this example on Solidworks by using some features like push extrude, chamfer, and cut extrude. It's a very good example that you can practice on it. Also we'll make appearance and we will choose a color for our 3D model. It's just a simple practice. So let's start. First, I will choose a plane that I will work on as usual. Here is our 2D sketch with dimensions. I will go to make a sketch on top plane. Then I will choose a rectangle and from origin I will draw it 80 millimeters by 30 millimeters. Here I will find a small I will draw a small rectangle by 40 millimeters in the middle, and I will go to features and extrude all the rectangle, big rectangle and small rectangle. I will choose these three parts, then choose OK. Then I will make chamfers here and here, 45 degrees and 10 millimeters chamfer. OK. Then I will draw a sketch for the small rectangle for our last sketch, 40 millimeters height. Then OK. I will draw on this surface a sketch to make the circles. I will draw center line first to follow. Then I will draw a circle from this midpoint to other. Then I will choose convert entities. So I will make a small circle first, which is 20 millimeter diameter. Then I will make convert entities for this shape. Then I will trim extra lines. Now I will make extrude for these areas by 10 millimeters, and for the same sketch I will make a cut extrude through all and OK. Here we are. Now we got the shape with all dimensions. Here is it. Okay, now I will go to appearance to give it a color. I will give it a blue color. I think yellow color will be better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it. Bye.
Bye.